I started making films a bit of by accident. I didn't go to film school.
Back at home, there wasn't too many film options. It was all about working in tech, but I was always the kid on the block who wanted to tell stories and make movies.
I more so align with the term artist.
I look for sensuality and intimacy in film particularly.
The Deutsche Bank Frieze Los Angeles Film Award, in partnership with Ghetto Film School, gave me the platform I needed to voice my concerns with my own society in my own way.
How much honesty are we talking about? I appreciate the opportunity of the financial support as well as the structure to guide us through this process.
It was really like a great spark to go out, rally a team, and make a film about something that really meant a lot.
The theme of this year is rebuilding and renewal. My film Horse goes after it by talking about a woman on her period. She has these crazy recurring dreams and it starts to like mesh into her reality.
My film is about an internal and external filth land. I find that there's a lot of life even within the cracks of the sidewalks. As the rain falls, it kind of spreads evenly within the land.
He is ready, he looks great, and he knows he is going to win. During his workout, he collapses. He turns into this great motivational speaker and shares his story that it helps and inspires other people.
The specific feeling I was trying to engineer is that primal fear of someone or something watching you, like your prey. This idea came to me during a very turbulent time, both nationally and personally.
Some other cultures see mental illness as a blessing instead of an illness. I want to use this film as a way to look at aging and illness in a different way.
As he walks the whole river, he discovers the history of the city, and it's a film about the history of LA and Tomas's future within it.
Yeah, I mean, we're coming up in like a little over 1 year since the LA fires. The beauty of this film and this theme of renewal and rebuilding is, rediscovering yourself during hardship.
Reynaldo Rivera said that sometimes you leave your favorite spot in Los Angeles and you come back and it's an empty parking lot. The normal was kind of destroyed. In this case, they come back and it's a kind of desolate, land. Like, it's never gonna be the same again, but it is just gonna be reformed. It is gonna be changed.
Our shoot is a very tough shoot. Filming in Chinatown can be really challenging just because the nature of run and gun and being on foot. At the same time, it's really rewarding because the images are so beautiful.
I was actually born in Manila, Philippines. I came to Los Angeles when I was 6 months old. I feel very lucky to have grown in a historic Filipino town in Los Angeles and still be a part of my culture even though I grew up away from the country I was born in.
Either I find an actor who's not a bodybuilder, but they just have like a good physique, or find an actual pro bodybuilder who never acted and just trust myself as a director to get them to where I wanted them to get to in the performance. So I went with the latter. This was his first time acting, but he did an amazing job, an amazing performance, and it went so smooth.
What I have created here was meant to be scary, but it is nothing compared to what's actually going on in the streets. People are going missing all around us. The immigrant community here in Long Beach is what makes Long Beach. Without them, there is no Long Beach. There is no Los Angeles.
When seeing the cycles of life unfold before him, it helps give him a sense of place in the world. And I think that's how I feel. Taking a step back, understanding the history, understanding people, it really helps me. We're really strong as people and communities, and together we're gonna get through it. Yeah, I believe in LA.